First question, find the coordinates of the points trisection of the line segment joining the points -3, 3 and 3, -3. First, draw the line segment. Here A -3, 3 and here is a B 3, -3. Trisection means divide the AB into 3 equal parts. So that is by point P and point Q. The point P is A to P 1 unit and P to B 2 units. So 1:2 ratio related to point P. A to Q 2 units and Q to B 1 unit. So then 2:1 is a ratio related to point Q. So let's find out the point P x comma y. So that is section formula m1 x2. So here is a x1 y1, it is x2 y2, and m1 is 1, m2 is 2. So m1 is 1 into x2 value, that is 3, plus m2 is 2, x1 value -3, divided by m1 plus m2 1 plus 2, comma m1 1, y2 value -3, plus m2 2, y1 value 3, divided by 1 plus 2. So it is equals to 1 into 3 is 3, 2 3 is 6, but here minus, so -6 by 3, comma 1 into -3, -3, 2 3 is 6 by 3. So then point P equals to 3 minus 6 is -3 by 3, comma -3 plus 6 is plus 3 by 3. So it is equals to -1, 1. So the point P is -1, 1. Next to point Q x comma y, same formula, but m1 is 2, m2 is 1. So then it is equals to m1 2, x2 value that is 3 and m2 is 1 and x1 value -3 divided by 2 plus 1. Next to m1 2, y2 value -3 plus m2 1, y1 value 3 by 2 plus 1. It is equals to 2 into 3 6 minus 3 by 3. Next to 2 into -3 -6 plus 3 by 3. So the point Q equals to 6 minus 3 is 3 by 3, minus 6 plus 3 is -3 by 3. So it is equals to 1 comma minus 1. So the point is 1 comma minus 1. So the required points are -1 comma 1 and 1 comma minus 1. Second question, if the vertices of the triangle are 1 -3 4 comma P and -9 comma 7 and its area is 15 square units, find the value of P. So the area of a triangle given, that is 15 square units. But the area of a triangle formula 1/2 mod x1 bracket of y2 minus y3 plus equals to 15 square units. So here is a x1 y1, it is x2 y2, here x3 y3. So substitute the coordinates in the formula 1/2 mod x1, that is 1 bracket of y2 minus y3 p minus 7 plus x2, that is 4, and y3 minus y1 7 minus of -3 plus x3, that is -9 into y1 -3 minus y2, that is p. It is equals to 15. Now this 1/2 transpose to RHS side. So mod 1 into p minus 7 is p minus 7 itself. 4 into 7 minus of minus 7 plus 3. Next to -9 into -3 minus p, it is equals to 15 into 2. So p minus 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 into 4 40. -9 into -3 plus 27. -9 into minus p plus 9p. 15 2s are 30. So it is equals to here p 9p, total 10p. Next to -7 plus 27 is 20 plus 40 is 60 it is equals to 30. Now remove the mod symbol, then 10p plus 60 equals to 30. 10p equals to 30 minus 60. 10p equals to minus 30. P equals to minus 30 by 10. P equals to minus 3. Third problem, determine x if the slope of the line joining the 2 points is 8. So he gave slope value, what is that? 8. But slope formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So it is equals to 8. So let's substitute the coordinates here. x1, y1, here is a x2, y2. So y2 means 2 and y1 means x. x2 means 7 and x1 means 4. It is equals to 8. Now 2 minus x equals to 7 minus 4 is 3 equals to 8. Now 3 transpose to RHS side. So 2 minus x equals to 8 into 3. 2 minus x equals to 8 3 is a 24. Now 2 transpose to RHS side. So minus x equals to 24 minus 2 minus x equals to 22. So then the required answer is minus 22. Fourth question, the distance between the points 8, x and x, 8 is 2 root 2 units. Then find the value of x. So he gave distance. So distance between the 2 points is 2 root 2 units. But distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. It is equals to 2 root 2. So substitute the coordinates in this. Here is a x1, y1, here x2, y2. So x2 minus x1, that is x minus 8 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 8 minus x whole square. It is equals to 2 root 2. First we need to cancel the square root. So that is why square on both sides. So then x minus 8 whole square plus 8 minus x whole square 2 root 2 whole square. So it is equals to, here x minus 8 whole square formula a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. Next 8 minus x also same a minus b whole square formula. 8 square plus x square minus 2 into 8 into x. Now apply the square for 2. So 2 square 4. Apply the square for root 2, that is 2. So x square, here x square, that is 2x square. Next to 8 square is 64 minus 2 into x into 8 is 16x. Next to again 8 square, answer is 64 and 2 into 8 16x, 4 2s are 8. Now 2x square minus 16x is minus 32x plus 64 is 128. It is equals to 8. So 2x square minus 32x plus 128. Now this 8 transpose to left side. It is equals to 0. 2x square minus 32x, 128 minus 8 is 120. It is equals 0. From the 3 terms we can take 2 common. So x square minus 16x plus 60 equals to 0. So x square minus 16x plus 60 equals to 0 by 2. So let's do factorization. Here x square minus 16x plus 60, 0 by 2 is 0. Here the first term is x square and the last term is 60. So 60x square and the middle term is minus 16x. So the minus 16x can write as a minus 10x plus minus 6x, and minus 10x into minus 6x is 60x square. So that is why at the place of minus 16x we can write minus 10x plus minus 6x plus 60 equals to 0. From these two we can take x common, so x minus 10. From these two take minus 6 common, so then x, this plus will become minus 10 equals to 0. So now x minus 10 common, then x minus 6 equals to 0, x minus 10 equals 0, x minus 6 equals 0, x equals to 10 and x equals to 6. So there are two answers for x, one is 10, another one is 6. Fifth question, find the coordinates of the point, divide the line segment joining 2, 3 and minus 4, 0 in 1:2. So here is a line segment AB, so A 2, 3 and here B minus 4, 0. So coordinates of the point, divide the line segment AB, so that means Px, y in the ratio 1:2. So to find out the Px, y, we need to use the section formula m1x2 plus m2x1. So here is a x1, y1, it is a x2, y2, here m1 is a 1 and m2 is a 2. So let's substitute the values. So m1 is a 1 and x2 value is minus 4 plus m2 is 2 and x1 value is 2 divided by 1 plus 2. Next m1 1, y2 value 0 plus m2 2, y1 value 3 divided by 1 plus 2. So it is equals to 1 into minus 4 is minus 4, 2 2s are 4 by 3. Next 1 into 0 0, 2 3s are 6 by 1 plus 2 is 3. So point P equals to, here minus 4 plus 4 is 0 by 3. Next 0 plus 6 is 6 by 3. Here 3 1s are 3 2s are 0 by 3 answer 0 and 6 by 3 answer is 2. So the required answer is 0, 2. Sixth problem, if the distance Px, y from A and B are equal, then prove that 3x equals to 2y. See here, distance of P from A, so that means PA, and the distance of P from B, that is PB, both are equal. Then we have to prove that 3x equals to 2y. So the distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So then here PA means point P, point A. So that means under root x2 minus x1. So 5 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1, 1 minus y whole square. So it is equals to PB. So PB means point P and point B. So x2 minus x1 under root x2 minus x1, that is minus 1 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1, 5 minus y whole square. We can cancel the square root on both sides. So 5 minus x whole square plus 1 minus y whole square minus 1 minus x whole square 5 minus y whole square. So here for every term we can apply the a minus b whole square formula. So a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here 5 square plus x square minus 2 into 5 into x. Next to 1 square plus y square minus 2 into 1 into y. So it is equals to minus 1 square plus x square minus 2 into minus 1 into x plus 5 square plus y square minus 2 into 5 into y. So here 5 square is 25 x square, next to 2 into 5 into x is 10x, next here 1 square is 1 plus y square is y square itself, 2 into 1 into y is 2y. It is equals to minus 1 square is plus 1 plus x square minus 2 into minus 1 into x is plus 2x. Next to 5 square is 25 plus y square is y square itself, 2 into 5 into y is minus 10y. So now 25, here let's add the numbers 25 and 1, total 26. Here x square plus y square minus 10x minus 2y. Next here 1 plus 25, 26 plus x square plus y square. Next plus 2x minus 10y. Now bring these all terms to left side. So 26 plus x square plus y square minus 10x minus 2y minus 26 minus x square minus y square minus 2x plus 10y, it is equals to 0. Plus 26 minus 26 plus x square minus x square plus y square cancel. Minus 10x minus 2x is minus 12x. Minus 2y plus 10y is plus 8y. It is equals to 0. So minus 12x and plus 8y transpose to RHS side. So minus 8y, here minus minus cancel, and 2 table 2 6 are 4 table 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. So 3x equals to, it is actually y. So 2 y. So hence proved. Seventh question, if a and b are the points minus 6 comma 7 and minus 1 comma minus 5 respectively, then find the distance to AB. So distance to AB means 2 into AB. So 2 into, the formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So it is equals to 2 into under root, here is a x1 y1, here is a x2 y2, x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus of minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 5 minus 7 whole square. So 2 into under root minus 1 plus 6 whole square plus minus 5 minus 7 is minus 12 whole square. So 2 into under root minus 1 plus 6 is 5 square, minus 12 whole square is 144. Then it is equals to 2 into under root 5 square is 25 plus 144. So 2 into under root 25 plus 144 is 169. So 2 into under root 169, 13 square. So square root cancel, 2 into 13, it is equals to 26. So 2 into AB value 26 units. Eighth question, if P2 comma P is the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A and B, find the value of P. So here P2 comma P is a midpoint of line segment AB. So then P2 comma P equals to midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So it is equals to, substitute the values 6 plus minus 2 by 2 comma y1 minus 5 plus 11 by 2. So 6 plus minus 2 is 4 by 2 minus 5 plus 11 is 6 by 2. So then P2 comma P equals to 4 by 2 answer 2 and 6 by 2 answer is 3. So to get the P value, equating y coordinate on both sides. So the y coordinate is P, left side y coordinate P, right side y coordinate is 3. So the P value is 3 is the answer. Ninth question, find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are, here 3 vertices given. So the centroid G is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So substitute the coordinates, here is a x1 y1, here x2 y2, x3 y3. So x1 minus 4, x2 9, x3 is 5 by 3, x2 y1 8, y2 minus 2, y3 5 by 3. So it is equals to minus 4, 9 plus 5 is 14 by 3, 8 plus 5 13 plus minus 2 by 3. So it is equals to minus 4 plus 14 is 10 by 3 and 13 plus minus 2 is 11 by 3. So the centroid is 10 by 3 comma 11 by 3. 10th question, find the area of a triangle, the lengths of whose sides are 9 meters, 15 meters, 12 meters. Use Heron's formula. So in the Heron's formula, the area of a triangle delta equals to under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So here a value 9, b value 15, c value 12. First we need to find out the s value, that is a plus b plus c by 2. So 9 plus 15 plus 12 by 2. 9 plus 15 is 24. 24 plus 12 is 36 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 18s are, so 18. S value is 18. So then delta equals to under root s value 18, s minus a 18 minus 9, s minus b 18 minus 15, s minus c 18 minus 12. So it is equals to under root 18 into 18 minus 9 is 9, 18 minus 15 is 3, 18 minus 12 is 6. So let's do the factorization of 18. 2 9s are, 3 3s are, next to 9, 3 3s are, next to 6, 2 3s are. So then 18, 2 into 3 into 3, next to 9, 3 into 3, next to 3 will come as it is, 6, 2 into 3. So here for two same numbers, one number will come outside. Here for 2 3s 1 3, here 2 3s 1 3, here 2 3s 1 3. So there is no numbers in the square root. So 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54. So the area of a triangle is 54 square units.